welcome back. It's Shankin Solo. We're going to be doing an unboxing of the Charizard EX Red and Blue collection of the Pokemon generation. As you can see, there's Charizard EX, the 4th generation packs, and a cool little figurine. Now, we're going to be doing the unboxing now. Let's get this done. Get the box open. Finally got into the box. Let's pull this out. Here is the the Pokemon cards from the Generations pack. We'll wait on that one. We have the little minifigure right here. He has part of a burnt wing. And that's regular Charizard. I'm going to set him over here. Let's get to opening some Pokemon cards. Start with the Let's start with the Pikachu one. Okay, we got Zubat, Steel Energy, Magmar, Butterfree.
That's not a Butterfree.
It is. It's a Butterfree.
Oh, you skipped that one. Caterpie.
Caterpie, Butterfree, Slurpuff, Machamp, the hollow one, Fledgling, Energy Switch, and Special Energy. That's the Pikachu pack. Let's get the Bulbasaur pack next. In Pokemon Go, people do not want Weedles, but they kind of do want Digletts. We got Diglett, and a Leaf Energy, Shoulder, Caterpie, Team Flare. Oh! 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 2 EXs in 1! Oh! Oh! Flareon EX and Vaporeon EX. Oh my gosh!
Wait.
We got Shroomish and Machoke and the Crushing Hammer in that pack. Now for the Charizard pack. An energy card, or a dark card. Slowpoke. He always looks derp. Paris. Rhyhorn, Clement. Oh, Durichi, a legendary Pokemon. Parasect, Paris' evolved form. Fletchling again. Olympia or something, and the Max Revive. And we have one last card pack. Hopefully we can get some good. Let's find out. Yay. Okay, first we have a Wobbuffet, Clement, Clefable, Zubat, Ponyta, Diglett, an energy card, Pokemon Central Lady, Frostless, and Rapidash. This one is a special holo. That's all. Now we have so these are all the cards that I got. You know I got Flareon EX and just plain old Vaporeon EX, which is pretty cool. And then the one and only Charizard EX card. This is amazing. And it's also a full art hit. It's the full art. Well, kind of. Charizard EX. We have got 3 EXs today, which is pretty amazing. Don't you guys think? Oh, that's all for today. Like and subscribe. See you later.